Sheikh Hazrat Maulana Abdul Aleem Siddiqui, rahimahullah. And that is the time he was inspired to write a book that is not found nowadays, The Beacon Light. And that was because of Maulana Abdul Aleem Siddiqui, who saw the spark of brilliance in Dr. Ansari. And he encouraged him to write his first book at the age of 18, The Beacon Light, against anti-Islam propaganda, which today we term as Islamophobia. What is it about Dr. Ansari and Aligarh University? I may remind you that Dr. Ansari's greatness and brilliance is actually in the years that he spent in Aligarh Muslim University, founded by the great person called Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. We may have heard of him. What is it about him? This is where his academic credentials came out. A BA in philosophy, as Professor Yasin had so correctly observed. A BA in humanities and in philosophy. Professor, I'm sure you'll be proud to know about this. And you were a graduate of Alimia Institute as well, together with others. I'm not too familiar with them. 98%, an unbroken record right up to now. 98% in philosophy. And you can imagine what philosophy is. It's tough meat. And here is a brilliant mind busy with that. And at the same time, while he was studying, he began to write a series of books under the guidance of